Hello kids, I am Teacher Mikel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. Today, we will be learning about synonyms and antonyms. Synonym refers to a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning with other words. It is the same or similar to the given word. Like for example, child is the same with kid. Lovely is the same with beautiful. And start also means begin. Next, antonym. Antonym refers to the exact opposite of another word. It has an opposite meaning with the given word. Like for example, stop, go, on, off, run, walk. To better understand our lesson, we will be having an activity. Write synonym if the given words have the same meaning, and antonym if they are opposite. Happy and sad. Synonym or antonym? Brilliant. Antonym. Big, small. Synonym or antonym? Brilliant. Antonym. Home, house. Are these words synonym or antonym? Brilliant. Synonym. Dirty, clean. Are these words synonym or antonym? Very good. Antonym. Quiet, silent. Synonym or antonym? Brilliant. Wealthy, rich. Synonym or antonym? Very good. Synonym, wealthy and rich have the same meaning. For our second activity, you are going to choose the correct synonym of the following words I will be showing on your screen. Little. What is the synonym of the word little? Huge, large, or tiny? Very good. Tiny. What is the synonym of the word sad? Is it happy, lonely, or glad? Very good. Lonely. What is the synonym of the word finish? Is it end, start, or begin? Very good. End. What is the synonym of the word simple? Is it easy, hard, or tough? Very good. Easy. What is the synonym of the word wrong? Is it true, correct, or false? Brilliant. False. Remember kids, that synonym refers to a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning with other word or words. It is the same or similar to the given word, while antonym refers to the exact opposite of another word. It has an opposite meaning with the given word. Thank you kids, and I hope that you learned something today. See you on our next video.